Take 3. Welcome everyone to another home session of home improvement on Jose Santana's channel. Today is Thursday, April 15, 2026. I'm your host, Jose Santana. What you're seeing here is in front of a shack I built in front of this garage, and I'm working on putting paint and stain and varnish on these doors. Just finished sanding them with a sanding machine and equipment, and it took me about 4 hours to remove all the paint. It had about 4 coats of paint. It still left a little bit on the bottom, as you can see right there, and but the rest of it is all sanded. And you have to put a lot of pressure on the machine with your hands, stand and put a mask and goggles on to avoid all the sand dust coming on in your nose or breathing area, your eyes. So usé una máquina de lijar. Me tomó como 4 horas para remover toda la pintura de arriba, y la quedó un poco abajo, como pueden ver ahí. Tenía como 4 capas de pintura y me tomó como 4 horas para remover todo. Hay que ponerle mucha presión, ponerse lentes y máscara para no inhalar todo el polvo. Hubiera sido mejor usar un removedor de pintura y después lijarla un poquito. Pues me olvidó que tenía ahí removedor. It would have been better to use the paint remover and then just sand it a little bit, but I forgot I had that there, so I'll have to save that for another project. Meanwhile, this is ready to stain and varnish, and probably I also want to clean those door handles and make them shine, or put some new ones on there. Also, I need to change some wheels on one of the doors that fell off there. And I'm probably going to put some white and canary color on the side of the doors and the windows, top and lower part of the window wall here. So ahora me queda poner el barniz y limpiar las chapas y cambiar las llantas a una de las puertas. Y voy a usar tal vez color blanco y canario para al lado de las puertas y abajo y arriba de la ventana. Acá a un lado tiene otra puerta, ya la pinté esa color blanco. También quiero cambiar la ventana de enfrente, y después hacer otro video para cuando comience esa otra parte del proyecto. Y es todo por hoy. Gracias por mirar, y no se olviden suscribirse al canal de Jose Santana de mejoramiento de hogar en el canal de Jose Santana en youtube.com. That'll be all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy and this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Home Improvement on Jose Santana's channel. And that'll be all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. Gracias. Bye-bye.